so this is one of these obvious trades here on the NQ. We've already had a few trades on the NQ that all won so far. And we have one right here that we're looking for a down close on this bar. It's got a high here of 60.25, so you'd be selling 60.25, you'd be selling 52.25. Okay, 8 points below the top of the bar. Sorry, it just actually closed down. It was at a different place, but here's the trade right now. All right, we have a 36 tick stop on this. We should have a 36 tick stop on this. There's 36 tick stop on this. And we have a 12-point target on this. Okay, a 48 tick target. Now it's got to go 4 points into profit to bump the stop to break even. 4 points into profit. It's got to get down to 50.25 right down here. We'll bump the stop to break even. All right, what it should do is go all the way down here to 21,240 right now. 4 points into profit. We'll bump that stop. It's almost there. It's almost there. It's going to go. There it is. Stop to break even. And I'm going to lock in 1 point on this. I have a 48 tick target on this. Okay, I have a 48 tick target, and we'll see where it goes. It should go all the way down here to 21,240. Let me show it like this. Okay, and like that. Oops, I just lost my DOM. Well, we're going to get 4 or 48 on this. I'm not sure where my DOM is right now, but here it is. Okay, so now where are we in at? 53.25. So we're in at 50.25. So that's 16. So it's going to be 16 or 48. See, my target is down there at 48. Well, this is 48 right there. So that's 24 or 48. Come on, give me the whole 48. Nope, 24. Okay. Well, that was, let me just show you the trade. We came out of the overbought right over here. We got short when we came out of the overbought, and we're expecting it's going to get right down to here. That was 24 ticks out of possible 48 that I had set for a target on that. It should go down to the swing low and give the whole 48, but I got out with the trailing stop.